Hi YouTube family. Today I bought a I guess it's a tire holder for my little garage, and it didn't come with any instructions. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna put it together, and I kind of put it together, but it was all wrong. So I had to look at the picture to put it together, and I still put it together. But anyways, I figured it out and I did it on time lapse. So you could watch it if you want. If not, no big deal. It's a small tutorial on how to put it together. I got it on Amazon. I don't know how much I paid for it. I think it was under 20 bucks. But it's actually really good. It's metal and it was well worth the money. So enjoy the tutorial and putting it together, and that's all I got for today. So sorry I haven't brought content to you. I've been very busy, but hopefully in the next couple of days I'll get more content out for you guys to view. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Get somebody to subscribe. I want to make it to 200. Let's get me to 200, you guys. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with my antics, and you know, as usual, do something good for someone you don't know. Love the ones you're with. Take time to take time. And most of all, don't forget, RC baby. there you have it, YouTube family. A small tutorial on how to put it together. It was a little trying. I had to look at the phone a couple of times, but I finally figured it out. And actually, it's a pretty good little tire stand. The finished product is, let me show you. There's the finished product. It fits probably 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of tires, of drift tires. And you know, it fit perfect in the little garage. You can get your tire changed, your tire balanced. You could get new tires or retreads. So there you have it, YouTube family. Just a small tutorial on how to put it together. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more content. I know I've been busy, but I'm going to produce a few movies in the next few days, so you guys will be able to have something to watch. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you're not. Leave a comment if you want. Do something good for someone you don't know, and most of all, make time to RC, baby.